Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn how to read the basic sight words. But before that, let us review first the words that we learned from Phase 1. Are you ready? Here we go! Ah, about, all, and, are, as, at, be, been. Very good. Now, let us start learning the basic sight words Phase 2. But, by, can, day, could, did, do, down, calm, cold, by, can, day, could, did, do, down, calm, cold, by, can, day, could, did, do, down, calm, cold. Now it's your time to read the words. Ready? Go! Awesome! Very good! Let us practice reading the words always. Thank you for listening. See you next time.